This is Rob Guthins, a ServiceMaster Advanced Cleaning and Restoration in Mobile, Alabama. I'm in the room where our ladies do the intensive contents cleaning, and they have created a wall of before and after pictures. Some of these are amazing. This is where they have taken people's contents from a fire and just taken pictures before and after. They speak for themselves. If you're the unfortunate victim of a fire in your home or business, there's no one better in the entire United States to clean your precious possessions back to their original state. For ServiceMaster Advanced in Mobile, Alabama, this is Rob Guthins. Give us a call if we can help you. 251-653-9333.